Here's interesting app which is called Hyper Avatar Live Streaming. Build an avatar and make friends. So this app briefly entered like the top social media apps in the US App Store. It's an interesting concept. So basically, it's like a metaverse app. So where you can create avatars, you can upload your photo, create avatar, and start streaming. So similar to Twitch or YouTube TV. So yep, and so it's kind of like a metaverse app which tries to compete with Twitch, YouTube streaming, Twitter streaming, Facebook streams, and all of that. But you're not showing your real face. You just created your 3D avatar. There is face and hand tracking. Yeah, you can build yourself. You can customize with clothing and all of that. You can use OBS and some other streaming software, and they call this app VTuber app. So it means like virtual YouTuber or something like that. So you have face tracking and hand tracking on supported devices. We support face tracking and hand tracking, but this only works with newer iPhone devices and some newer Android devices where they have Face ID, for example, on iPhones. If your phone doesn't support that, so I have iPhone 7, so it doesn't support that, so this feature won't work. Then you can just stream your avatar to web. There is recording studio, OBS, and capture card support, VRM support, all these features. So yeah. Hyper is great for people who are interested in VTubing, live streaming, live broadcasting, virtual identities, 3D avatars, metaverse, and more. Love customizing and dressing up their 3D avatars, have an interest in creating original content with a virtual avatar, want to relay information while keeping their identity under wraps. Looking for a specific feature, looking for more options that present your unique self in the character creator, reach out at feedback@hyper online. So that's the app. So let's just go through it. So here is the home feed where you can see different streams. So this is how people are streaming here. That's basically an overview. Some of the streams can be interesting. Some like just, some you can play some of the streams. Maybe there is some talk, something. You can see. So yeah, and then you can just follow someone. You can go to someone's profile. Okay, there are some errors.
No, I couldn't leave you without my lovely voice. Wow.
Some of the streams here, basically this is just like video recordings. And this is, how it looks like. You can follow, add people, similar as on any other social media. There are still some bugs, like I just trying to tap plus icon. Okay, good. I can follow this person. I can I can write a comment. So yep, something like that. And then I can just see all these avatar live streams. So this app is kind of like a new metaverse apps. There are more and more of these apps where you have avatars instead of your real faces. And I must say, for these people, this really is an option. It's quite liberating to have avatars instead of, your real images. Some people don't want to disclose their faces, their real identity. Some people are a bit like, anti, like perfect Instagram, where you just open Instagram, you just see a lot of this perfect lifestyle, and it causes for some people a lot of stress actually, that people are showing off like perfect bodies, perfect lifestyle, and all of that, which sometimes can be fake, and it stops you from interacting with a lot of people. For some people, for some introvert personalities, that can be like a real issue. So maybe metaverse avatar based apps can actually solve this problem. Maybe this can be a way for a new social media which causes less harm and less stress for teenagers. So who knows? But anyways, this is just an app. I think it requires a bit more work, and there are not that many users yet. There are just few likes here and there, but it's a good start. So you can report bugs and requests here. You can just tap here. There is, not even like a real support site, just a Notion. So you can go to Hyper Online Notion, and this is just a beta version. Face tracking, hand tracking beta. You can build your avatar here. You can see how it looks like. You can live stream in app. There are all these guides, so that's how it looks like. Then if you want to create your own stream, you just tap on this red camera icon in the bottom, tap continue, and that's where you can create it. You can upload photos, you can add some text, props, drawings, customize your setup, and just basically shoot. But yeah, in my case it doesn't work for some reason because I have an older iPhone model, so that's the issue here. I can just tap shoot. Hello, hello, hello. I can just and then I can just post it here and it will appear. But yeah, my phone doesn't have like face tracking, so it doesn't really work yet. Probably it's one of the bugs in the beta version. Then I can see all the notifications. Then there is my account, my avatar, which I can try to customize. There are all these settings. I can edit my photo and avatar. It doesn't work yet completely. I can write bio. I can write my personal website. By the way, feel free to visit my website. I can give access to contacts, and then I can also customize with YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. All of that to have live streaming. That's basically, I can also add all of these social elements. I can see all the details, support and feedback. Also in the bottom, if you want to delete your account, you can just tap delete an account. You can also clear avatar cache in this app as well. If you're using these real streaming apps a lot and video streaming apps a lot, they can accumulate a lot of cache, and then it can use a lot of your storage on your device. So basically that's the app. That's the first idea how it looks like. It's a beta version, but even with the beta, I think I entered some of the top charts. I'm on social media apps in the App Store. I'm just trying to figure out, can I go to someone else's account? Or how? I can only follow. Unfollow, report a block, and then I'll just see more content from that creator. Yeah, so that's the app. Here it is on the App Store. You can go check it out. You can always reach out, feedback@hyper.online. There are just only 43 reviews so far. There are a few reviews. Great app. Some people write that it still crashes here and there. So great tracking, just needs a little shaping, needs more option, definitely needs to be fixed. Also, please allow the option to use our LiDAR sensor on our iPhone. This will also help in poor lighting and better hand tracking. So that's that. That's the app. Recording studio coming soon. Our recording studio has tools like a video player, a pen for doodling, and more. Use it to record content for TikTok or to share with friends. Stream directly to our app and website. I don't know about subscription or paid subscription mode, like memberships, all of that. I didn't find it yet in the app. So maybe it's coming soon, but again, this is just like a beta version, first version. So probably there will be more improvements, more new features about this app. So that's an overview. Definitely give it a try. If you like metaverse apps, that's one of the apps to try out.